YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Ron Vance TV, back at it again with yet again another video. But however, about to get right into this video. As you see, we're a title of the video. You already know what's going on. It's a little chilly in here, but here we go. Let's get right into this. Let's get a cold start for the boys. She loud as hell, y'all. She loud as hell. Go ahead and get up out here, man. So, gotta make sure the garage is closed, you know. I'm in the back of the boot. Make sure the garage is closing. But anyway, y'all. So, as you see by the title of the video, you already know what's going on. We did it! We made it! Oh, hold on. Hold on. Ah, no. We getting somewhere. Hold on, we getting somewhere. But yeah. We finally hit that 1,000 subs. Can I get a round of applause real quick for the boys in the gang? And for the ones that hate us in the back. Can I get a, yeah, man. For that 1,000 subs. I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy and liking the content and subbing to your boy. Even though it's been a minute since we actually did an actual vlog and adapting, trying different stuff, and we finally got up here to 1,000 subs, you guys. I appreciate y'all. So, but anyway, y'all, what we're about to do right now currently is, right now, let me see, I got the tight clothes on, you know what I mean? I got the gym fit on, you know. So right now, what we're doing right now is we're headed to the gym. Anybody get a slight little workout in. So I don't want to talk y'all ear off. I'm hit y'all when I go to the gym. That way y'all can see a little stuff I do. Alright, you guys, so sucks freaking gym is closed. I guess they have a big karate tournament or multi or whatever going on right now. So we're gonna have to go to a different gym. Now hopefully it's not packed so I can actually get in there and do some stuff that I need. When I got back to my car, my key fob wasn't working. So, interesting topic, you guys. Interesting fact. So if your key's never working, one, I use my forward pass to start the car and unlock it and everything. Well, however, when I got in here, the car wasn't recognizing my key, but was weird because I started the car with a cold start. You guys remember that from the beginning of the video. But if you pull this out of the cup holder and your keys is not being recognized, what you do is you put the key fob right there where it has like an outprint or imprint, whatever, of the key fob. You put it in there, the car automatically recognizes the key, which is pretty freaking fire. So I'm so glad that happened because I was not trying to be stuck here until I had to call my wife or whatever, but thank God for that. Good job for it. Alright, you guys, today what we're gonna do is shoulders and arms. So let's get into it. After you finish with this, I'm not gonna record too much because I still gotta get a workout in, get my pump and everything, and I don't want to be focused on vlogging or whatever. But I'm gonna give you guys some content also. So put you guys in with the footage in a minute. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Let's go work out. Like, you know, don't judge my legs, ashy, whatever. So right now what we're about to do is, after workout, I usually like to drink a protein drink. I don't have a protein or shake. So, man, good, great workout. So Like I showed you guys, we did shoulders and arms today. Lord have mercy, I'm beat. But I'm gonna get this protein shake. Probably put some on our stomach. Like, a chicken sound. Oh, yeah. We're gonna see when we get there. I had to get something from there because I don't feel like going to 2 places. But we'll see, y'all. I'm tired. But however, when we get back to the house, I'm gonna show y'all what's. Nah, I ain't gonna show y'all what's coming on Saturday, but Sunday. You guys gonna have to stay tuned for the vlog, y'all. This is going crazy. Sorry I didn't vlog anything for y'all, but you know, I wanted to focus on the workout. But
the next day.
What's up, vlog? It's the next day. It's another day. It's another day. It's another video. It's another content video. Another day full of energy. Another day we woke up, and another day we trying to go up. But anyway, y'all. So y'all know what's going on. So you see by the title of the video. This is about to get swapped. Why, you ask? Because one, I wanted to look sweet, you know what I'm saying? With all the changes we made. And also, I don't know if you can see, but in like certain areas, it is peeling. It's right. I don't know if you can see it right. Try to use my flashlight. Right. It won't even show you guys. But right in this area. Right in this general area right here, it's peeling. I don't know if you can see it, but and guys, I'm tired of it because you know when you whipping, whipping through gears and stuff, especially with my ring on, it'd be like snatching it and stuff. So yeah, that gotta go. But waiting for my guy Brian. He also has a Maverick, so I'm gonna see if he'll show us it. But I'm waiting for him to come out and everything. I know your ass like, Bon, why you ain't do it yourself? But one, I'm scared of the airbag. I ain't gonna lie to you. And two, Brian had did one of my Mustang also, so and I had no issues with it. So I just came back to him, because I feel comfortable. You feel me? So don't ask your boy, not your car, not your bill, but appreciate y'all. I really want to say a huge shout out to y'all, subscribing to your boy. Even though we've been releasing shorts, like I said in the last video, it's mainly because that's where I get my most audience from. And to be honest, nowadays the attention span of people in general is very short, so hence the shorts. So, and I'm getting like a lot of views on there. I'm gonna drop a video like every once in a while, like I am now. Like when I have good videos to drop, I just don't want to come on here and just drop no random stuff. So, forgive me, you guys. But yeah, I pick the camera back up once it gets out here. But see you guys.
Yeah, I was searching for video. I don't know if I was searching right, and then it was under his.
That's why. Yeah, Nick the car guy or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, they would have tabbed. I think right here.
Does this come off? Because this looks like it's on top of it. Let's see. This is part of it. Because the other one didn't have this on it. I actually might want to pull up his video. Feel it right here.
Oh, they got a little tab.
Squeeze tabs are on the inside on this. Yeah, it's nice because you don't have to mess with, well, oh yeah, these will have to come off too,
yeah.
Right? Because those are attached. So these, and let's do this before I take the steering wheel out. Let's move these over to the other piece.
Okay.
Luckily, weather's better today. It was miserable yesterday.
Oh yeah, it was freezing yesterday.
I know.
Just got a little sun out today.
Yeah.
came out.
Okay, so what do you want to bring the box over? We can put this, set this in the box.
No more stock steering wheel. Finally got a actually looking sporty in here. And with the, you know, the lime green to touch. The other lime green actions that's coming. Alright, you guys, we got our freaking steering wheel in. Oh, we gotta turn that copyright off. Oh, we got our steering wheel in. Ooh, I gotta pay attention, man. I have no idea where I'm going, so I gotta focus up. So much better, man. Thicker, more sportier. If that's even a word. But it just feels great, bro. If you're on the fence about getting a steering wheel, man, and spending money on it, trust me, it's worth it, bro. So worth it. And you guys can see the lime green hint too. That's to bring the lime green inside the car. Perfect spec, bro. And I did get this from a company called TTD Craft or something like that. I'll put in the description below if you guys want a steering wheel from them. It's so sick, man. The carbon is just smacking off the sun. Just going crazy, bro. Love it. Thanks again, Brian. You always know what you're doing with these steering wheels, man. I appreciate you so much. She's so beautiful.